Hello friends, welcome to my channel Programming with Ryan. And previously we have learned that how to build a simple text animation in HTML and CSS. And this class we have learned that how to build a video background site in HTML and CSS. And I hope you can enjoy this class. Enjoy, like my video, share friends, and subscribe to my channel. So let's start. So now, first of all, I will go here and here I will write sublime text 3. And here I will go and cross. Go file, new file, go file, new. Go here and save as. And now, here you can write video, sorry. Here I will text animation and here I will write video.html and here you can write video dot css direction now. Here I will write HTML and type it. Here I will write document the direction now. Here I will go, here I will write link and here I will erase this. Okay, here I will erase this. Done our work. So now here I will erase also this and now here I will write video.css. Done our work. So now here I will go, here I will write section and type it and enter it. So now here I will write video tag and video tag. Sorry, here I will control Z and erase it. So now here I will write video and type it. And now here I will write class should be loop and the number work. So now here sorry here I will go here and go here. Here I will write loop and here I will write class and this tag, then this tag, the number work. So now here I will write this tag, the number. So here I will run mistake. So here I will done. So now here I will write this tag and this tag. So done our work. So now here I will write auto play. Here I will write auto play. Done our work. So now here I will go and now here I will write video dot sorry no here I will write this tag. So now here I will go and here I will write video dot background. Then our work. So now here I will write muted. Then our work. So enter it and now here I will write source tab it and now here you can write your videos. I will go to my video. I will see you my video. So now my video is this. I will rename to save and go here and I will paste this and here I will write dot mp4 then I will work so and now here I will go and here I will go and here I will write video and now here I will write type and mp4 then I will work so now here I will save it, go here, open that and now you can see my easily come my video, you can see it, you can come many more videos. So I will go here and now go to my sublime text 3 and now here I will go, here I will copy that, I will paste that and now here I will come any video, I will see you, here I will go and here I will write not unsplash, here I will write go to here Google and here I will write picture videos and go here and now I will write here. So this video I will download it and here desktop save it, go here I will. So here this file is not comfortable, I will go here again, this is very big file so I will cancel it and go to the down and I will write here laptop. So now here I will write laptop and now here I will write computer, here I will and go to my here and here I will go to the here and now here I will download it on desktop. Okay, here download. So download it. So I will go here and copy this name only. Only copy name and go here, and here you can paste here your video name and save it. Go here, then refresh. You can see, you can commit. So I will easily copy that again, and here I will write and here I will paste it from copy it, paste it, copy it, and here you can repeat this. So save it, go to the here, then refresh. You can see, you can easily come many more videos. You can come one video, you can see, you can come one video, you can see, then come this video again, you can come this video again, you can see, easily short video. Okay, this is very short. You can see my videos is very beautiful to working. You can see, you can go to the down, you can put long, so you can see it easily your videos. So you can come many more videos. Okay, so you can see easily I will come video easily I will make how to build the video background site in HTML and CSS. You can see one video here, one video here, one video here, and one video here. So you can see it getting made, and I hope you can enjoy this class. This short video very helpful, but okay. So I hope you can enjoy this class. Enjoy, like my video, share friends, and subscribe to my channel. So good bye.